Practical applications of stored capacitor energy. Welcome to this presentation on the practical applications of stored capacitor energy. In this session, we'll explore how capacitors, which are simple yet powerful components, play a vital role in modern electrical and electronic systems. Introduction. Capacitors are devices that store electrical energy in an electric field. They can release this stored energy either rapidly or gradually, depending on the circuit's needs. Because of their unique ability to handle quick charge and discharge cycles, capacitors are used in a wide range of real-world applications, from electronics to renewable energy systems. Power supply stabilization. One of the most common applications of capacitors is in power supply stabilization. They help maintain steady voltage levels in electronic devices and smooth out fluctuations in DC power supplies. This ensures that sudden voltage drops or spikes don't damage sensitive components, keeping electronic circuits safe and stable. Energy backup systems. Capacitors, especially supercapacitors, are often used in short-term energy backup systems. They provide temporary power to maintain data or operations when the main supply is interrupted. For example, in computers or memory devices, capacitors supply backup power during brief outages or transitions, like in UPS systems. Electric vehicles, EVs. In electric vehicles, capacitors play a key role in regenerative braking systems. They store energy generated when the vehicle slows down and release it later to assist with acceleration. This process improves energy efficiency and reduces strain on the battery, ultimately enhancing the vehicle's performance and longevity. Pulse power applications. Capacitors are essential in pulse power applications, scenarios that require rapid bursts of high energy. Examples include camera flash units, lasers, and medical defibrillators. In these systems, capacitors charge slowly and then discharge instantly, delivering powerful energy pulses when needed. Renewable energy systems. In renewable energy systems like solar and wind power, capacitors help regulate voltage and stabilize output. They can store excess energy temporarily, ensuring smooth power delivery to the grid. This makes them crucial in maintaining the reliability and quality of renewable power generation. Consumer electronics. In everyday devices such as smartphones, laptops, and audio systems, capacitors maintain stable operation during sudden load changes. They also filter out electrical noise, improving performance and enhancing the quality of sound and visuals in modern gadgets. Summary. To summarize, capacitors are indispensable components across many industries. They ensure energy stability, enable quick power delivery, and support efficient operation in electronics, vehicles, power systems, and renewable energy technologies. Their ability to respond rapidly and reliably makes them a cornerstone of modern electrical engineering.